We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L3770 printer, and today we're going to show you how to replace your waste toner. So if you've been getting a waste toner box low or replace waste toner box warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you're going to want to do is we're going to want to open up the top of this printer. So you're going to put your hand in this big handle here at the front of the printer, lift straight up until you feel this top cover lock into its open position. Once it's in its open position, the next thing we want to do is we want to remove all four of our toners and drums. So carefully take them out. We're going to set them on a clean, dry, flat surface. So it's very important that whenever you're moving these that you don't want to scratch the drums or anything, so take your time, be careful. Okay. We have all four of our drums and toners removed, so the next thing we want to do is when you look inside of there, you're going to see your belt unit. There's going to be this big green handle at the front of the printer. What you're going to do is put your hand, there's going to be a big handhold right at the front of it. Just put your hand in those little finger holds, lift straight up, and then carefully slide your belt unit out. Very important whenever you're handling your belt unit, you never want to touch this film anywhere on the, if you do, what's going to happen is you can cause some print defects to happen, and it can also shorten the life of this belt unit. So always be careful whenever handling your belt unit. You only want to hold it by this green handle here. So again, set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. Now if you look below where that was, you're going to see your waste toner box. There's going to be another big green handle there. So what you're just going to do is reach in and grab that green handle, and again lift straight up and pull it right out. So that there's your waste toner box. Very simple to remove. Once you have your new one unpacked and ready to go, give it one last look over, make sure that there's no packaging material anywhere on the waste toner cartridge. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, these little nubs here at the very back end of it are going to slide in at the bottom. So you're going to take your new one, slide it in, and then lower the front of it. You'll feel it kind of click and lock down into place. Once you have your waste toner installed, then we can put our belt unit back in. Again, grabbing it by the green handle here. Carefully lower the back of it in first, and then lower the front down until you feel that your belt unit click down into place. And then now we can replace our drums and toners. So again, carefully install your drums and toners. Making sure that you put them all back in the right color slots. You don't want to put the wrong toner in the wrong slot. Okay, now that we have all this installed, you can lower this top cover back down and then give the printer a second to initialize and recognize that the waste toner has been replaced. Once it has, then it'll come back to its normal ready state on its screen, and that warning should go away and you're good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.